In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change task color in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your task colors reflect your workflow at a glance. First, open ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and go to the workspace where you want to make the change. Give the page a moment to load so the sidebar and header fully render. Remember, ClickUp ties task colors to status colors, so we'll be adjusting the colors of statuses to affect how tasks appear across that area. Next, look for the space you want to customize. You'll find the space name in the left sidebar or at the top of your current view if you're already inside it. Click the space title to open its menu. Depending on your layout and permissions, this may appear as a drop-down arrow, a three-dot menu, or a gear icon next to the space name. Opening this menu gives you access to the space level settings that control things like statuses, which is where task colors are managed. Now, choose the option labeled Statuses. This opens the list of statuses configured for that space, such as To Do, In Progress, Review, or Done, each with a color chip next to it. Click the color next to the status you want to update. A color picker will appear, letting you select a new shade. As soon as you pick a color, it applies to that status, and every task using that status in this space will immediately reflect the new color in your views and boards. If your team relies on color meaning, aim for a simple, consistent palette. For example, cooler colors for early stages and warmer colors for urgent or blocking states. Keep contrast in mind so labels remain readable, and avoid assigning similar colors to different statuses that carry very different meanings. If you don't see the statuses option, make sure you're editing at the space level rather than inside a specific list or folder, and confirm you have permission to manage statuses. Some workspaces restrict this to owners or admins. Also note that status color changes are scoped to the space you're editing. If you use multiple spaces and want the same palette everywhere, repeat these steps in each space for a consistent experience. That's all there is to it. Open ClickUp, access your space menu, head into Statuses, and update the color chips next to the statuses you use. With a few thoughtful choices, your task colors will make your workflow clearer and your boards much easier to scan.